Kia ora team, I'm here with Sonny and Bonfa. We're just on our way to the Ingham Hyundai Family Jersey giveaway. Let's go! How are you? Good to see you. Hey everyone, we're here with Ingham Hyundai for the Kid Out Your Family competition winners.
We're here at Cambridge East School. We're going to meet Tracy, our winner.
Let's go meet them.
Chiefs. Pleasure of presenting Bailey. Watch us play at FMG Stadium.
How much money do you make?
As much as you.
2, 3.
Yeah, so we just left Cambridge East School and we're down here at Cambridge Middle School to meet the next winner, Miko.
Yeah, we're on.
Sonny, so how was your afternoon with Ingham Hyundai Moon?
That was pretty good. Obviously visited the school for the winners. Had Tracy, Mal, Bailey and Miko. Was cool to go to their schools and see all the kids. They were very excited, and well, I think we won a few more Chiefs fans after that. So hopefully they turn up tomorrow to watch us.
Yeah, I think Bunta's going to have a whole lot of new supporters now.
Yeah,
After today's,
few kids. Their favourite player will be Leroy Kumfakara.
I know, yeah, it's pretty cool. Thanks to Ingham Hyundai for giving us the opportunity to get out in our community, especially in the minibus. Get out there and spend some time with our young supporters. So appreciate that. Until next time.
Okay, next time. Thanks, Ingham.